For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description. So we meet again, dyno vs box. The last time we made it to the rollers, the turbo didn't make it out alive. On the last video, we decided to strap a proper turbo to our stock-engined Audi A3 and shoot for the stars. We also fitted a tasty dump pipe to the car to extract all the powers. Unfortunately, our original goal of doubling the box's power was never achieved on our last setup. So I decided, why not try to triple the power instead? Science. And that sounded like a great plan in my head.
But we have a problem, quite a big problem at that. John, welcome back to the channel, bro.
So, eventful last time we tried. Broke engine mounts, snapped the downpipe, oil return popped off, and actually one of the other things we found is the PCV valve has failed, which stops the boost getting back into the engine. But starting the car, we've since found that's smoking like a chimney. That means we've got blow-by on the pistons, broken ring lamp, possibly. We've done a little compression test. Sanj said we had 170 on number 1, 170 on 2, 3 and 4, and in the 5 was 90 and 6 120. So
we're down.
It's hurt.
You can see the smoke starting to come out here. This is our makeshift breather bottle, or catch can should we say, but this is on tick over. Basically, yes, we've got nice turbo noises, but we've got a lot of smoke, meaning we have a big problem here. This is catastrophic. Right now, at this point, you pretty much want to investigate why it's doing this and check it out. It's literally an engine rebuild. If it is a piston ring lamp broken or if it is blow-by or whatever, there's a big problem here. However, not to disappoint.
For the culture.
For the culture, sir.
For the culture.
The show must go on. So today, I'm gonna still get you to send it. I still want good power out of this. What do you reckon?
50-50. Obviously, if the ring lamp's broken, the rod could go through the block, could have a bigger fire. It might just be, it just turns off.
To tell the truth, we want to see this make 660 brake horsepower today.
Plus.
There's a lot of variables here today. We don't want to disappoint, and we are going to make this happen today regardless, because I want to drive this down the road. However, in a situation like this, dangerous explosions possibly imminent, we need the right fire control. So, Sanj!
Just in case. Fuck 'em all the way around.
Is somebody called? I'm here, I'm ready to rock and roll.
Let's go.
Now we got everything up and running kind of properly, we can show you what it will sound like with a little bit of boost and also the dump tube open. So what I'll do, give it a little tickle. Give us a little bit of launch control, please, bro. Right guys, so John was literally just running the car on the dyno there, just trying to find out what's what. You can see it's like a smoke machine in there. He said that was 4 PSI and it's smoking that badly. So although it's a laugh and a joke and Sanj is actually wearing a fireman's outfit right now, I feel like he might be putting a fire out. Only thing is, that fireman's outfit is probably the most flammable thing in this workshop. So, light a candle, say a prayer for not only this box, but for Sanj too. Ready? Yeah. Guys, we might only get one run out of this. We might not even get that. And it's still running.
13 PSI.
All right, guys, I am literally sweating. This is so much pressure. When I got here today, I had no clue that the car was breathing so heavy and we had an issue. So I come in with the mindset that we were gonna triple the car's power. I think that has completely went out the window today. I think we're doing very well at 438 brake horsepower, which is 13.1 PSI. I've spoke to the boys and I've said, look, I need to see at least over 500 brake horsepower. We've now pretty much officially doubled the car's power, which was the target for the old turbo. I want to see over 500 brake horsepower. And John estimates, that's gonna take about 18 PSI. So we need 5 or 6 PSI more. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and send it. And if it survives there, that is the number. That is the number for the day. And then I think on the next video, we're doing a first drive. God knows if it survives this, who knows if it will survive that. But anyway, quiet in the room, because what we're doing right now is greatness. That's an anti-climax, 453. Should be making more boost than that, right?
We should have 6 cylinders.
We're desperate right now. We need every bit of power we can get. So we're doing another run, yeah? Yeah. At first we was like, nah boys, we're gonna do one run.
We need some more octane. Shout out to MANNOL.
Here we go. Power in a bottle. Brake horsepower! Let it off, bro! Give us a shot of them! Come on! Yes! 515! You did not explode! That's what I'm talking about!
4.5 cylinders, 20 PSI on a stock inlet.
This is Mythbusters. The inlet is still alive at 20 PSI, 4.5 cylinders, 515 brake horsepower. All right, guys, so you have witnessed greatness today. Yes, we didn't make the 660 we wanted, but working with what we had today, 515 is not to be sniffed at. Shout out to everyone involved in this. Shanj, you did not have to use your fire extinguisher.
No,
how you feeling?
And I'm so glad I didn't. You know what, for what it was and how many cylinders we're running with, it was really good. I'm actually quite impressed.
John, thank you so much. I'm sorry for making you do this every time, against your will, pushing a car. The engine is hurt.
Yeah, it's painful running a car like that. And we actually stopped at that power. It would make more.
Very successful, I think. Very impressive.
Well, I wouldn't say successful. It's still running, it's still running.
You've just witnessed what we witnessed, 515 on the box. We are officially boosted, and I would say that's a pretty powerful box, almost a sleeper. But I think the proof of the pudding is always in the eating, so I think the next video you guys are gonna see is our first drive. So stay tuned, smash subscribe. We survived the dyno with the engine in this state. Will we survive its first run? And we got launch control mapped in, and I'm gonna send it. So we'll catch you on the next one.